A terrific meeting with the Prime Minister talking about sustainable prosperity, talking about strategies to improve the quality of life of people in Aruba, of people around the world, and some of the innovative strategies that are being implemented in Aruba, I think, are a great example for other cities worldwide. The thing that that we discussed this morning was the innovation that's happening on the alternative energy front. The work on establishing Carbon Innovation Lab in Aruba, I think, is a really interesting model for other cities. And that whole approach to sustainable development is going to be the differentiator for successful cities across the globe. So the fact that Aruba is putting such a strong down payment on that approach, I think, bodes really well for the people in Aruba today and 5, 10, 20 years from now. What's really impressive about the Prime Minister's vision is that he has not only a 4-year vision in terms of what it is that he's going to do on the streets of Aruba today, but he also has a long-term vision. And he has a longer-term horizon, which very few elected leaders have. Most elected officials are only looking at what's in front of them today. What's impressive about the Prime Minister is that he has a vision not only for today, but for the future of Aruba.